The operation is smooth and with low vibration. High efficiency, high strength, low vibration, low gas pulsation, and low noise. Cooling capacity can be controlled according to different loads. Motor protection module. The embedded safety valve joins the high-pressure side and low-pressure side to prevent the internal pressure from exceeding the safety threshold. Unique structure design and spacing layout. Motor is effectively cooled down by using subcooled refrigerant gas between the suction shutoff valve and the inlet of the piston.